Have you ever woken up and felt like your eyes just didn't get the memo? The numbers on the clock look fuzzy, sunlight feels harsh, and for a few minutes, it seems like your vision hasn't fully switched on. If you're over 60, you're not alone. And here's the thing, it's not always just normal aging. That morning blur, the scratchy dryness, and the slow adjustment your eyes need could all mean they didn't get the support they needed while you slept. The good news? You don't need pills, expensive drops, or complicated routines to fix it. Tonight, I'm going to show you something incredibly simple. 3 common foods you can eat before bed that help your eyes hydrate, repair, and wake up sharper naturally. If this is your first time here, welcome to Feel Fresh 360. Here, we share simple, natural ways to help your body feel better and stronger as you age. If you care about your health and want practical tips for clearer vision, you're in the right place. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you never miss our weekly tips. Now, let's start with the first food, the one that sets everything in motion while you sleep. Prunes. Most people think of prunes as just a digestive snack. But for your eyes, especially after 60, they're doing a lot more. Your retina, the light-sensitive tissue at the back of your eyes, relies on tiny blood vessels called capillaries to deliver nutrients and oxygen. As we age, these vessels get narrower and stiffer. High blood pressure, diabetes, and other common conditions can make it worse. Even if you eat all the right nutrients, they may not reach your eyes properly, like trying to water a garden through a kinked hose. This is where prunes come in. They support capillary health, keeping those tiny vessels open and flexible. Prunes are rich in vitamin K1, which helps blood flow efficiently, and potassium, which helps regulate the pressure inside your eyes while you sleep. That morning puffiness and foggy feeling? Potassium helps reduce it. Prunes also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that settle in your macula, the center of your vision. Think of them as natural sunglasses, shielding your eyes from harmful light and supporting sharper vision. Eating a couple of prunes 45 to 60 minutes before bed, plain or chopped into some yogurt, can make a noticeable difference. Next, let's talk about pistachios, the tiny nuts that protect your eyes while you rest. Even closed, your eyes don't stop working at night. The retina is repairing, processing light, and rebuilding proteins. All of this generates tiny amounts of oxidative stress. Pistachios are rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant that neutralizes this stress and supports the delicate membranes in your eye cells. They also have lutein and zeaxanthin, helping block harmful blue light, and even melatonin, which encourages deeper sleep. A handful of unsalted pistachios, 30 to 60 minutes before bed, can protect your retina, calm your eyes, and help your body rest better. Pairing them with yogurt or a slice of kiwi adds hydration and extra vitamin C. Avoid salty snacks or caffeine right before sleep, and you'll notice your eyes feeling calmer in the morning. Finally, we have chia seeds, the little powerhouses that help your eyes rebuild and restore while you sleep. Chia seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, especially ALA, which helps repair the outer membranes of your retinal cells. As we age, these membranes thin, leading to dry eyes and slower focusing. Chia seeds also form a gel when soaked, helping your body retain hydration and stabilize blood sugar overnight, both essential for clear morning vision. Add chia seeds to water, almond milk, or yogurt 20 to 30 minutes before bed. Mix in banana slices or a pinch of cinnamon for extra flavor and relaxation. This gives your eyes the nutrients they need to repair, hydrate, and wake up sharper. Here's the full bedtime ritual. Prunes, 1 to 2 pieces, plain or in yogurt. Pistachios, 5 to 7 unsalted nuts. Chia seeds, 1 tablespoon soaked in water or almond milk. Take this small dish about 45 to 60 minutes before bed. Eat slowly, without screens or distractions, and let your body know it's time to repair. Some nights, you can swap prunes for a date or add kiwi to your chia. It's the consistency and intention that matter most. Prunes open the roads. Pistachios protect the path. Chia seeds help rebuild. Together, they create a simple, calming ritual that supports your eyes through the night. And it takes less than 5 minutes. If you try this, you may notice less morning dryness, sharper vision, and calmer eyes in just a couple of weeks. It's not magic. It's nutrition, timing, and giving your body what it needs when it matters most. If this video helped you, give it a like and share it with someone who could benefit. Leave a comment below and tell me how your eyes feel in the morning. I'd love to hear your story. And don't forget to subscribe to Feel Fresh 360 for more natural, practical tips to support your health every week. Here's to calm nights, clear mornings, and eyes that keep serving you well every single day.